Hello everyone. We got a wicked video out here. I started buying an e-bike. It's a Kandi bike. It's named Kandi, the brand. So I'm gonna show you how many pieces there are. I'm gonna put them there. As you can see right over here, my buddy right there. And we got our parts, our box. The whole front end is, well, in pieces almost. This is gonna be a fun one. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna have to try and get this back together, and because we got those many pieces and we're dealing with these wrenches, so this is gonna be fun. Our charging stuff right here, pretty wicked. Instructions, all that good stuff. So I guess we'll get to assembling this, and I'll get back to you guys once we get all assembled. Well, we got our bike together, as you can clearly see. I don't know where the hell he's going. Where the heck did he go? Oh wow. Holy mac, that looks fun. Oh, sorry guys. Oh my goodness. There he comes. Good light. How was that?
Sketch. Oh shit. Yourself, dude. Holy shit.
So how much torque does it have?
Fucking enough. Shit. It only goes at 32 right now, but holy shit, that's fast.
Jeez. Here, I'm gonna give it a whirl. I'll come back to you guys once we are done working on this thing. Oh man, that was fun. That was a blast. Man. Nice little headlights. Oh heck yeah.
Here you go, there's the headlights there, boys.
I think it has plenty of torque though. Remember, you got brakes.
That way, I don't go wee. Hang on. Hold on my phone.
Yeah.
Maybe that one stupid ass kid that goes, dang. Okay, I'm gonna go through here. I'm gonna come back on, okay?
Okay.
Wish me luck.
There he goes. And he's gonna come out that way somewhere. He'll come out somewhere. That thing is fun though. That thing is ridiculous. Holy macaroni, like that's ridiculous. That's fun. There you are. Oh man. My new whip. Oh, I'm gonna do a lot tomorrow. Holy mac. Oh, what happened, bud? The hell happened? Did the bike break already? Oh, jeez. Buddy. The heck you do? Oh, you didn't break it. Holy man, it's gonna fly away. Sorry about that, guys. Whoa, save my back tire. Oh man, this thing is gonna be fun. First test drive is pretty wicked. I ain't gonna lie, it is pretty wicked. Down the road he goes. I'm gonna actually make it home today, I'm gonna bring this sucker home today. Might possibly do that. I don't know. Is it in a battery life to last me that long? I might will. I don't know. I don't know how many kms of range I have on it, but once I get home, I'll charge it and then whip it around tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow I gotta walk back to my bicycle so I can get my bicycle, and yeah. But man, that thing is fun. Oh man. Don't spin out there, bud. Sorry for all the swearing, kids. But I mean, this channel used to be family friendly, not anymore. That's why this has, it's not a kid's video. And he's gone. He is gone. Oh, sorry guys. I need like something to hold this phone, like a GoPro stand or something. Jeez. He gone? There he is. Okay, just bring her home. Just bring her home.
You can probably drive her home. I was doing 34K.
34K?
That's the quickest I went. I leaned into it. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, we'll power it off. And
Holy
how much battery does it have?
2. Probably enough to get your ass home.
Yeah. Sorry for flickering it off. Actually flickering in real life, but it might get enough to get back home. I'm gonna drive this thing back home, I think. Does the front brakes work?
You want to see?
Okay, front brakes work. Okay, good. That's always good to have. Okay, I think I'm bringing this home. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm coming back tomorrow anyways, and I can come back from my mountain bike. I can walk in my mountain bike, or
you can put it inside.
Yeah, I don't know. I can leave my mountain bike here and I can pick it up tomorrow.
Yeah, just clean this shit up.
Yeah, I'll shut it off now. And one of the last things I gotta do is just take this plastic off.
Let me do that. It's satisfying. There we go, boys. Let's go. That's a satisfying feel, but hey, it works.
Oh,
You gotta fix that.
there we go. Now it's officially used.
It's got push.
Look at those suspension. Oh yeah.
Beefy.
We got our battery pack down there. Got our motor back there. It's a 1500 watt motor, I believe.
Yeah, I think it's 1500.
This thing is gonna be pretty wicked.
It's suitable for big ass motherfuckers like me.
And it would go past around with me because you weigh more than me. You know, you weigh more than me, so I think I'll bring this sucker home. I think I might do that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring my stuff. 'Cause I don't want to charge overnight. Yeah, I'm gonna need a bag for everything. That's for sure. But also, once you guys start the meat of the tires, you can put your whole finger in there. Like, it's wicked. It's wicked. Got a nice little roll cage, lightning bolt, because that lightning bolt gives you another like 8 horsepower. And it's a Kandi, not the candy you eat, but the candy you ride. So yeah, I guess we'll get back to thing ended off right here. I think it took us a while, didn't it? Took us a while. Well, I think I'll end it right there, and well, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.